So it's usually at the time where I am working on something for a customer or for myself, like in this case, my new website after it's been roasted. And I wanted to show you off how you can actually easily export and import your global styles with Greyd. And then I realized that showing the process that goes before that is also very awesome. I'm going to show you how I use one click to create a new website, and the slowest thing in the process is going to be me typing. Watch this. This is how you save overhead, people. I'm in a multi-site. I'm going to say create website. I'm going to call it styles. All right. So, okay, let's call this showing off. Create site. Boom. That was it. That was absolutely it. Look, here on the right, it says showing off. I can go and check the front end. Here you are. It's got the 2024 theme. And if I go to the back end, there's Greyd.Suite telling me all the cool stuff that they have. And do you see this speed? Really, people, this is just some cheap €5 a month VPS somewhere in Germany. This is not a fast machine. So, yeah. I know I'm fangirling, but pretty awesome, right?